Hey guys, in this video, we are going to discuss a very important issue, and that is whenever you try to create a story and you want to download that story into your phone storage in your gallery, you are not getting this download option right here. So let me just quickly create a story and then tell you further what to do. So for example, I click on camera and click on allow using the app and allow different access. And let's say this is my simple story. So let's say after that, I want to add some music or some poll, whatever. So now when I created this story, I don't get the download option right here. So it should be somewhere right here on the three dots, but I'm not getting this option. So how can I resolve this? It's very simple. The problem is that you might be using this Instagram Lite app. You need to shift to the Instagram detailed app, which is the full version. So you can get this on Play Store, just right here on the Play Store, write Instagram, hit enter, and there you go. This is the file. You can just download this software and just open that. Now, obviously the previous story, you need to discard that and you need to create your new story. Let me just quickly create a new story for you so that you can see how it shows up now. And as you can see, we get many options along with this three dots to download the story. So just click on this three dots right here, and here you can save this story. Let me just quickly create another story. Let's say whatever, this one. So this is my new story. Just click on this three dots right here and I get the save option. Now, how can we access that story in the gallery? I'm using Google Pixel phones. So I have all the applications directly from Google. So I have Google Files app right here. So if you want to get that externally, just go to the Play Store and just write Google Files and you should be able to get this one. And just go to the main screen and you will get that story in the recent ones. So here you have it. If you want to just get it on the PC or whatever, you can access it directly from here. It is in your phone storage. And if you want to access it via a folder, you can click on this internal storage right here and just go to movies. And here you have the Instagram folder, guys, from where you can get all the stories that you have downloaded in your gallery. So I hope this was very helpful for you. Just comment down below if that works for you. And if you have some other queries or you want to learn something else, you can join the complete playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.